I'll be using 4 fresh aloe vera for this tutorial. And these are my okra and some freezed okra. I had this in the fridge, and this is a grated okra. I will now wash the ingredients. This has already been washed, so I'm gonna add it to it, and we're going to leave this aloe vera in the water to remove all the toxins. We are going to start cutting the okra. So this is all for the okra. So I'm going to separate this into two. I will separate the freezed okra and then the head of the okra at one part. Is going to be used for the second method. So now this is what we are going to be using for the first method. So now you will need a jar. I'm going to set this aside, and then we're going to work with the aloe vera now. Okay, so this is what we have. So we are going to divide this one into two. Okay, so this for the first. So I'm going to add this one. This is what we have. So put this one aside. After every 5 minutes, you can either shake or stir it. Okay, so for this one, we're going to be doing the blending method. Our first method is ready. So can you see that? It is very easy to squeeze. Let's pour it out. And then try this one. So this one is lighter. 2 spray bottles, and there's my funnel. Hi. This is my hair. I just took down my curl and it's super dirty. So I'm going to be using this OKRA-ALOE GEL water as a pre-poo before I do the washing. So guys, so let's see how this thing is going to work on my hair. Okay, so let's part a little bit. So I'm going to start with this one first. We're going to do it this way. Okay. The spraying is not going to work, so I have to be pouring. So wow. So just look at it. Just detangles the hair. Okra water is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, and these are very essential for hair growth. It promotes hair growth and reduces hair loss. Okra water can be used as a natural conditioner to moisturize the scalp and get rid of dandruff. It helps with itching scalp. Okra water also adds shine to hair. It helps define curls and it detangles the hair. Anytime you are using this gel, make sure that you start from the tip of the hair. Moisturize the tip of the hair to the root of the hair and then comb it through after application so that every part of the hair will receive this treatment. So when you're applying this on your hair, guys, I would advise that you wear a Wellington boot. That was just by the way. You need to stand very firm because the floor is going to be very slippery, and if you don't take care you are going to just fall. And you need to be you need to be extra careful. So I was lucky with this spray bottle, so it was easy for me to use this spray bottle to spray the gel on my hair. Just I was used to the first one and this one was quite slow for me. So if you're fighting with dandruff like me, guys, spray this gel at the root of the hair, the scalp, and massage your hands through it very well because this is going to help reduce dandruff appearance on your hair and it's going to stop the itching scalp as well. I really loved using this okra gel on my hair because this is my first time and I love the result, how it was able to detangle my hair. It defined my curls, it moisturized my hair, and even after doing this there is no need for me to even go and then shampoo my hair because this gel has already shampooed my hair. It got rid of the dirt in my hair and there's no need shampooing my hair. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy.